Understanding the phrase, beat yourself up. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, beat yourself up. This phrase is widely used, but what does it really mean? Stay with us as we explore the meaning, usage, and some examples to help you master this expression. Beat yourself up is an idiomatic expression in English. It doesn't mean physically harming oneself. Instead, it refers to the act of criticizing oneself excessively or being overly harsh in judging one's own actions or mistakes. It's often used when someone feels regret or guilt about something they've done or failed to do. This phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations, especially in situations of consolation or self-reflection. For instance, after making a mistake, I know you forgot to send the email, but don't beat yourself up over it. It's not the end of the world. When advising someone to be kinder to themselves, you're always so hard on yourself. Try not to beat yourself up about things that are out of your control. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. She's been beating herself up about the argument she had with her friend, even though it wasn't entirely her fault. 2. After the game, the player was beating himself up for missing what could have been the winning goal. Beat yourself up is a vivid phrase that reminds us of the importance of self-compassion and understanding. Next time you hear or use this phrase, remember that it's a call to be gentle with yourself, recognizing that everyone makes mistakes. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use beat yourself up confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't be too hard on yourself.